effective and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative.
Bless the name of the Lord. Lift your hands in this auditorium. Bless the name of the Lord.
Boni biara enni ho yo enen so yedi yedwumedia de biara eferia bia ya to no GN Radio Legal Hour ene Bwf Solicitors for no enen so yesa de ba makwan mu minim se mo atwen ya che na nso ne nyina mu no medam ase se monya abotre na muguso amotwen yen ne ehia pa ehia no krede wo kan ehia se adwumedie de biara nyankopon maya hoɔden a ne etumi de abremo baby biara mowo enenso saa ya san aba yen papa lawyer wa bedu ha da to say watwen abrempo nanso ne nyina mu no yo ye be sha se ye nkwa echikra be sha se ne tie ne se yenim se last week ye di nkomo ewo Brexit no ye di nkomo ewo Brexit no na nyoma bi nkrofo bebre questions omode bae na nso na emre no ama ye nkwan ama ye ntumi anye nti ene no ne tie ne say GN Radio Facebook no said no what teach maka kranti ko manyati live Facebook na ubehu yen ewo honom na ye wo YouTube nso ye wo YouTube ho saa nso na mesaye didi dwuma no ensesa ye na ye gro ekono mesa bobo ne nyina so asan ama mo biom frɛ wo nua bi frɛ odofro bi frɛ obi biara a oben wo se emre na som ombra na ye mbe hwehwe enkomo ewo saa ye akwantuo mo nsɛm no ye immigration nsɛm ena ye family law nsɛm ena ye kan say Ghanaian law litigation ni immigration ni nyina nsɛm a ekeka ka ho ana wo mo no ye emra ni embedi nkomo ye papa lawyer Francis why you ready what you say when ya a whole lot of information or the brain anope inti no mamu nko bebia misra mo share program no na enko chichi maye mo share program no maye and the more you share the better it becomes inti no mo share maye na nkrofo a etie yen anope omonso omonya ho na omonso omontwe enko ekire enti no ye wo so meshe ye kanise mechiche wenum amomamo enche bia mechiche me share the links no e de amamo enche bia enemi na me di dwumedie me na me produce me na me ye technician me na me ye bibia enti no ya no manya abotre kakra Eddie Amami, when you butreka cry, Eddie Amami. Yeah, yo, chemre. So good morning, Lawyer Francis. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Maneti Utiminka.
Pachamitun can loud and clear. Bayano Pija West Kakra.
Facebook, you never know.
Pachano pay, you want to say, I want so what to say.
Yo, I no pay a jumum, Yame Adaruma, Bibia Air Coso Boko, and one say, yeah, observe COVID-19 protocols and the guidance, The hope is a baby will be our no obey so send a bear far when you went and as a yen to say and although COVID-19 as a man homeless super you hope say be a better kama. Your menfa acquire and cheer a tier for na mensa and momonya where say yeah program fiada program a drew so although I don't know Maneti the air course for Facebook say ABI we can share the link ubet me be a bit me I share to your tea for kameda wasipa
me ye me guswa me ye ewa hase no pay na GN radio Facebook no technical problem kakra ya emfa and say their family so ntino me ye ni sisi a me guswa me ye Lawyer Francis me guswa me ye na me nyenwe ya na ye nsre mre no mesre na anope ya tititi nsem bebre ewo TV ni so news ni ade ntino minim say na efa ye migration so there might be or there may not be a bit of update ntino mesre say bibi kakra abrame hwehwe ade na ma share ama atiefo no obetumi ama yen update kakra e de ama yen papa
yo me da se Maneti na biom so mechia atiefo inchia kese free Bwf asoye bremo omo hwe baby a obi awo omo tie yen se ye chiamo na ye koswa emamo ya we aba de ko ene de ba ewo UK ha efa embrano yo the medical edi atudwane ne update kakra eba on the 12th of January things for last 3 days ago na titu the woman no me pese me ma etifo ehye so no ene opese utu kwan eba UK ha in terms of say over quarantine honey testing no eno na me pese me dey to edwa because you share day in day out na home office a review through the government say you share COVID-19 say the AC corner here say was say you ma you share emra ebebo ye ho ban ana say there be in America on the 12th of January almost the update by in terms of say utukwan obeso utukwan na uba UK ha say na quarantine ACTA and a testing na I was say we you almost before say obetukwan 3 days to quarantine and now say 72 hours to quarantine there was say we say I was say we COVID-19 the test ni bi and I make sure say when your test results now are negative. Inti we sa test no na ubedu airport baby border agencies ombe so mo share with certificate and I say we test results inti no and omode be kire say ampa ye ma nwram inti omo share na bibia when you negative now the be remu wi and no omo before say be remu we fill it form no omama udu details ama ya aware say hana meko akotena inti no be ma another 10 days say first na 14 days is o mate so about 10 days say I was out quarantine for the first 10 days but almost had the option be about be shame we say o quarantine ho for first 10 days no say in case first 5 days no o koye private test na esa show negative me ba to yentie ho ni yo omo tire say
wa boss kakrama
yo omo say o be quarantine ho for first 10 days na o quarantine ho no na asi me try 5 days me kwa koye COVID test ni bi ahwese still no me kuta negative na usa koye na show negative na no akwan ja wo ho say ubeja quarantine no ma authorities na ya aware say why a private tester esa show say we are negative inti hono na me pese mema ye nuanom etie say in terms of say opeso tu kwan ana say what tu kwan aba UK ha emra ehye hono efa COVID-19 no saying the city in terms of o quarantine ho any o test results na o de betre o mo no why yo ena ebiomu so no dia me pese me ma etie for ana say ahwefo etie ana say edaba beto jani say the same COVID-19 yen nuanu ma mu make application ewo visa center Accra say because of COVID-19 pandemic nati esi honum no oma suspend appointment meka oma suspend appointment in terms of say obi making application amounia so be so kofani free Ghana eba especially Accra I was say okobo ni nsa no na presenting the document any biometric ni na say for now nanka omu bie mu but a free Monday ko ebenya no omamaya aswati say pandemic we no COVID-19 no atiesi omo onuma in this case no omo to me nye appointment into because of that no omo cancel appointment bia into what the omo can say from January 18th and up to 22nd no omo be contact omo ananka e say omo ba for appointment no omo nyina amoma ya we say bibia back to normal omo be reschedule omo appointment no yo inti for now no updates are ye wo ho no na me dey atuja why manyeti
okay yo lawyer Francis say yati ase because aye hu wo from animal say sa akwentu mu yatiti kra say abande ka some of the countries or say omutu kwan edibaha for
yes ampa
na che say ade na aye hu pa na no pain so no news che say newspapers are making kind of pain na che say see hospitals no bed
there be at all I think say 2 days ago kra no more say we are old patient now hospital you call hotels near the COVID if for no omanya yare ni bi no akọ hospitals or rather treat you me say your hospitals na e ma pa there was here ye hu ne boy hu ban pa say ye end up in that hospitals no why
yo la Francis here that say yo it's here for dwumedie no was so enemo franchim ni say Facebook for mo bebo yen papa GN radio ebusua ni nyina mo bebo yen nanso no enye yen fault onim say eto de bia na Facebook mo manso twene ade no wam ye wo 30 centema last minute ya na ehun say there is a technical fault say mean to mean go into details until the mesra mo ameni say manyeti streaming live Emma program no enti me pamocho obi biara monkoso na mon share especially ewo BWF when ma share link no and Lawyer Francis ma share link no nti say betumi dia to BWF Solicitors for so ye insight ne so ana etumi a project ama yen kakra na
yo me sa maneti me forward it to
hu hia nkasa ye mpese just only few people nti mesremo mesremo mon share na enko echi manyeti Facebook ni di ni say jankranko ani eka o obi ko tie twa ebe no wa kakra yo Lawyer Francis yensemre as we keep on sharing no ye be koso nso ewa ha mpacho Brexit yeguso ewa hase yenim se still a ensem bebre ewo ho enti anope mepese oni embefa Brexit after the what is the life after Brexit no ema yen especially the EU ebusuafo no ena omo a meka busua na kire se emfa ho bebia wugina ba the fact say o kan EU ebusua ne ho a na kire se o ye busua ampa enti yemfa ne baako na yen de ho nkomo lawyer Francis yen hwe effect ben ena anase how was Brexit say na affect yempa EU fo na for na Swiss ebusuafo no say na affect yen lawyer Francis.
Yo manyati meda say I think say last week yesterday na sena questions in the urban na I was say ye koswa etwa so na ye ma etie for etie the after Brexit your lifestyle a woman saying the city. You share a question here. There are two about 4 questions. First one is EU and a Swiss citizen. Effect being and answer saying or more NCCA echo after Brexit, and a lifestyle being putting them into. You share after Brexit now being 31st December 2020 now, from 1st of January 2021, and she say being UK for a war any other EU countries. Yo, see a shares are butayana normally nanka when you on individual country basis. Mekasa me pese me chance ebia ye fa UK, ye fa France. Omo is say being omo work for omo program. Inti o share sena so far a city a fa EU cloning na any UK. The omo di 2 jana e kire say we EU ni na for now no o pese o besra UK akwaija ewo ho ma say e was uba na obesra UK for the first 6 months for me says isubium for the first 6 months because the entire year can way na they say UK for the emrafu from by say from 1st of January 2021 no it doesn't matter say we are EU ni we are obi African third world country now person uba UK obia befa the same route no being a point-based system no inti the entire in order not to say omo discriminating from EU for any third world country ne non-visa nationals no inti omo dia to just say fine still EU for no ye njamu so when me and drew 31st December 2021 now from 1st of January 2021 corner there was a way and say so back for Israel being so visit and now say over as a tourist first 6 months you knew any problem at all ube to me aba we have visa but say with different motive being say me baba betna ha me baba migrate ababe to abetna UK emrana na wo ho no I'm afraid say encover ubio regarding the free movement because free movement ni end 31st of December 2020 with sa transition period in as if on say the woman no and say you will be a friend grace period na no na was say now we chrome hanumo before 1st of January 2021 inti say we EU ni na we obia afei na upese uba UK ha oba mehu de ntia oba ha and saying say me ba besra bushia and say me ba as a tourist and no UK for say oh yama wa kwan just say ube to me aba. But no, over within 6 months. Now I say call a free, baby I'll free buy. Now say we are doing say no, me pese me bet na ha. I was say omu new point-based system no, oko sa route ni bi so. Now we apply as a normal obia pese obet na UK ha. With like say we are non-visa national, I was say we apply, we go through the normal procedure in coming to stay in UK. Into wo hwe say you ni na afa na opese oba sa procedure we na so ofa so sa ni free movement na wo dada no say from 1st of January 2021 no eni ho biom inti the amendment to a for and I said memo my aware say about say you ni opese oba ni say I was so making sure say all ma as a tourist and as a visitor, I was or what Bwf no valid visa in terms of say or Baba stay UK hanum no follow the channel whereby obetime regularizing his stay UK hanum. Why? Yo, Mayeti, yeah, share or second question no.
For the second question, one make it way clear amami pa, but ntinanka mi ko bisa say at what point na nipakuna why na dream say oba ha no be declare an intention say oba betna ha ana say oba just for visit no ehimfa ewo port na no ana also or fill form online ana say obedu ha wie a ansa na we declare sa intention no lawyer Francis.
Yo, Manyeti Usha, Sana America Sana, who's there? Before so be betu na nine say Oba UK no. Now what the one who and I say be until our person Oba.
Yes, okay.
But in order for us to and I say for UK immigration enforcement, say confirm no. At the point well say we declare with tension any port one after what see about yes say of our plane airport.
Okay.
So into Heathrow and Gatwick say me do hono hona me catch immigration officer no UK border force ni say me pa ucho me ba me na me yi uni me ba ensra hwe na minim say mo asesa mra no me metina ha enti within 6 months you know ebi am bedi 2 weeks ebi am bedi 1 month ebi am bedi 3 months abesra me nkrofa na say ma hwe UK ha enti o meka cho say ye bo kokko eso hu say untimi ntina because they say mo mra no eni hobio free movement na twam enti ho no en America no omo de be say omo system ni say asimasi ni details ni that's say no right UK. Into immigration system no we details so but who there who nim say e wo hono.
Okay.
Into say who overstay na ukonya immigration asem ni na sefo a your body details ni ba abon say na year but say that say na ura airport anumo ura airport anumo na o ka so be di holidays by hwema wapa ho into we overstay a
Hono brings to my second question. When you have bano, how long now obetumi stay without a valid visa? How long? Says when you be remu, what declare intention so na adwia besisa. Entino up to what time? Emre saying obetumi di abra only valid visa no.
Yo, say an American, and Brownie say ye ma almost 6 months.
Okay.
Inti hono, upese u ekoswa etina kronuma. I was say we who bibi.
Okay.
So, inti no never gonna say a man visa free, say Fabra also babe for holidays ni as for. Inti say whereby I have say oh kronuma yode. I was say me pena me betina kroma na. I was say Obomadia etu anamon by say any of the routes na yakan and the point-based system no. Or try say the offer say qualify no then you go for it. Why?
Okay, that's good. Yo, and yen share enche be phone lines. So na yen share way so. Yenim said before no ye wo health insurance. And I friend European health insurance. So na ye baby say mbia wo de wo sa card ni bi. Na wo de abaha no. Will it still remain valid? And I say or say o ye hu bibi.
Yo, sir, health insurance, European health insurance, card, First, before 31st of December, 2020, now, sir, you can need or two coin ako amanone, European countries in Libya. Sir, in case or yarebi one your advice is at least sa kuta health insurance in be na in case uko yare was corona etimi akoba.
Yes.
Likewise you ni ononso eba UK hanuma ononso no advice ononso also offer say ononso be kuta sa health insurance so in case o yare bi na ekoba wo UK hanuma isa na wetimi akọ UK hospitals ni bi na o treat with the health insurance Intina tamani ewo yiyu mu no na bibia kama until 31st December 2020 from 1st of January kono because you're free mu no from 1st of January 2021 kono so our health insurance enye adwuma bio.
Okay.
Inti time bia no se wo pese wo kọ krofu fro so a yemfa ne se wo UK ha na pese wo kọ wo ye UK ni na pese wo kọ EU countries ni bia and also no onse na America say UK for ne EU other EU countries no omo wo apam bi wo mo ntema se wo pese wo besra omo kro na ombeka cho say visa free for first 6 months. But so person who stay you can near episode 2 let's say France I was say on also apply or more resident permit for to meet there say or babetina honomo on to me first na go to me because of the free movement but I say new masses into a far insurance the end say who call even a British citizen or call let's say France for holidays and no crowd now where you're able to advice I demand say to or health insurance maybe.
Okay.
Send a in case Bibisa got about one ma or more betting show. First now Nanka ultimate general one European health insurance card no. But right now no Crobia one idea.
Okay.
It is a way no be na bibi uko yare one ma o mesha mo o meka so ni insurance.
I see.
Yeah. But I don't believe say betimi happen sir or anyway.
Hey, asemo sa and some idea.
Inti one sure say EU yeah free me after Brexit lifestyle nyoma bebre assistant.
Okay, yes.
It is a baby and I say baby na wunima. The best thing is busa.
Okay.
Seek advice and a biomuso why your research about country now because especially there I must say a year day power ne say or more EU for bushing ma betina kruma omukuta resident permit and also omukuta bibia friend on pre-settle ne na se for and I say settlement in na se for so omo ko other European countries first now Nanka omo call with family members now visa free.
Yes.
But now no because UK free mu no. Omo kwa was say omo ye inquiry no mo give visa.
Yeah.
Depending on the motive of omo trip no. Let's say omo call for holidays. Omo catch you say visit visa bibisa. But ni na ejina chrono is say omo ni UK was say.
I see.
And no crown echo eba to the extent say just last week ye program here. We be eba out with that say transit based and then for. Further research in say ampa countries bebree asese o ma dwen about the way o in the UK ba be delay. Inti say all free UK na sabi onkuta UK in krata na say onkuta UK passport just say we UK near so who here transit let's say Amsterdam.
Yes,
definitely omo be expect to say ubekuta bibi a friend no airport transit visa. And no, yeah, Omukuta pre-settled near more UK for EU family member at UK.
Omoni, you can EU passport, but omo family member. Okay.
That's it. Ebini saying Ghana near our EU ni.
Okay.
Nigeria near our EU ni. So some phone na be can. Inti say bibi sa ba omo expect say wono. So far Netherlands for no HSL after 31st of December 2020 no. Sa we are sa microphone bia family member oba and I say who try your chroma kwa. Yes say J airport transit visa.
Okay.
Inti amba bebre asati have second thought say is it worth it, sir? Back of far honomo and sana makome Ghana na.
Oh, sir. And I make us say British Airways say did too because to go through all this wahala, you back us when you mean try no direct. So
that's it. Edu baby so we are saving money and no ntia ya we go through it's that. True. But if you say yen konya problem and I say we don't have time to for transit base and then I say for now the best thing is you're trying to direct now and fire Kotuka Accra Nyanko Landi peacefully. Why?
You lawyer Francis here that say some obi me question but I think say you better answer after my last question. It will be about EU any ye no so wom na me say on hwe word na nkasa no fa EU near European Union and ye European Economic Area until no on hwe but onim difference ankasa wom la France e beba ho me de betwe mu e beba ho na ye hwe last question answer na me be telephone lines ne so ahwem sisi an ye nim say ye ka absence a ye nim say bia what to kwanya o maye for a certain amount of period na fe oko renew on krata ni as ade no how e be affect you nti ye be bisa question we ni say nti what is permitted absence after granted settled status and as a indefinite leave no under the EU settlement scheme no say ultimate question I see here
sir upese who say your mount indefinite leave and as a settlement permitted absence they saying and no episode yo me bacho o share year saying EU emrano ACTR and as appendix EU na yede abese your immigration rules no no say na ACTR e come wasem efa sa permitted absence ne da se for no so we obi na we say UK oti hanumo wa apply EU settlement scheme ni bi and undi 5 years you remember be a friend of pre-settled
okay
status and a limited leave to remain.
Yes.
And we will be with the 5 years and above we will chrome hanuma who apply settlement scheme Libya under appendix EU now. You remember be your friend say settled status and I said indefinite leave to remain.
Okay.
Yes. And this me be say nya sa two principles ni na ya famra question na wo bisa no.
Okay.
Inti yamfa pre-settled one no. So when you pre-settled e wo krom hanoma wo bibia 5 years and sana wako settled. Inti sa we no almost say Imran say within 12 months you know being a year no.
Yeah.
Men free Chrome had 6 months. The matter what you want to
Bacha meet you.
Aha. Inti first no yeah share say o mama 6 months e wa hanomo. O mama 5 years under pre-settled now. Now first year no being the 12 months omo be say out of the 12 months men come more than outside the country for 6 months. Unless uwo bibia ofo say is exceptional in such a way say a ba critical ubetumi e defend wo ebi ni say bibi nti debe nti ebia na majuma ameye no e wo say me ko amanone na me ko yes adwuma no but me ti UK ha ebi omunso no ebia yare binti mitu kwan ko Ghana akochi matena ho ma bibidura ameye anase treatment I go through no ama me consultant say I say me stay for a while before say ye be me treatment no yo ebiomo so no bia na say me go school ewo amanone me mpese me go school ha me go Ghana there and also because of that I'm a coach wo ho no mo into all these things are exception to over say who come more than 6 months now more culture say men free chroma for more than 6 months into not only the pre-settled one but yeah sure baby I was settled down and I said when you're indefinite when you settle status and also no what does it say what does it talk about because all shares are the way are sir continuity residence no a hold on pa na say and no say that upe say ukoye u bibia efe no naturalization na you use against wo into the best way ni say make sure say udim ran so yo when your settlement ni na say for ushema anka when you indefinite when your settlement na the EU no ubetumi free chroma even 5 years but the woman is say dachi upe say ukoye naturalization and I say upe say ukoye British in here
yes
hona British law no nationality law no be use against wo but for you there we okay
okay
but you know what say so person okoye nationality now become you change your nationality now be so be British near British ni be ba be catch us say na kroma no kra no nya wo settlement na omo ye mra ni say wo no say wo free kroma men free kroma more than 2 years unless there will be be show the reason why I will overstay but you for the crowd and mrano under pendis you ni na se for no we bet me have free chroma for 5 years but you shouldn't go more than that but yeah advice say we share ye say in future who person who apply and I say we British near at least 2 years near enough
okay
Senebaya British nationality no more refer to you that
so person who better than British and as that real
yeah and no necessarily we are careful
no lawyer Francis yen sisubium say we EU ni we EU national na o kroma na say we nya sign indefinite leave ni bi ana we nya settle status sa nyoma na o to me call away even up to 5 years but oba still you have your status with you
yes
but say wadwen say wa bre with indefinite leave wa bre with EU whatever person you British citizen or hona sa absence a number of absence now we deal chromo ha no hona the burial
yes
okay
hona ya de be share now because o share your nationality law now British Nationality Act 1981 now a requirements be we say we do so
okay
e be saying say o person when your settlement now be say o naturalize as British the area can say share unya we indefinite we say we train 1 year and say we apply for nationality no.
Yes.
And a nationality no we say we over 18. And I we say we have sound mind. And a full capacity. And I we show ma also no residence requirement. It yeah share residence requirement now. We say first 1 year no men free chroma 180 days.
Yes, okay.
In other words, 6 months.
Okay.
In the first 5 years, no, omo check here. Omo person omo check say, you can't go yet the last 5 years now. Bako, sa 180 days ni sa times 5.
Okay.
So
yes.
Inti wuna we free 5 years ni ye work out upro so. Inti one na ya e was say enuanum ye careful say wo pese wo naturalize it as a British citizen.
Good.
Inti nationality requirements and no residence requirement, no what call English language requirement, life in UK. And sana wait me ISA application no omo checking na bibia ye okay no ma grant you for you to become a British citizen now omo issue certificate now. Why? So for the benefit of those EU for now omo indefinite no settled status now in future omo be omo naturalize as British no. I was so careful about I'm being absent from UK
now.
Why?
Okay. You, Lawyer Francis, yeah, that's say me questions, me basi na mama etie for who kwan na omonso omombre mo me ma say up to 10 o'clock and I have 7 minutes. So I think that's very good. Yo, Lawyer Francis, edumedie ya me sa bon crofo kokko say your Facebook manyeti Facebook ni so ukọ manya 10 ya wo type a obe hu ewo honum live me di telephone number is no ma pinning so ato so ama mo se ne be ya obetumi afre ewo honum me hu se nkrofo aba honum nkrofo bi nso ebisa questions which I will soon read it for you ntino Opese obisa wo question na 0203-735-8820 and I say 0203-286-0185. Mpacho two WhatsApp lines nso na use for the benefit of those and as for the sake of those who will be calling outside UK no EU for most of the time no. Obetumi afre 077 obedi kan dey 44 no asha say 077 077 879-39958 and now say the second number no so is 075-966-20154 just time yeah live program now be to me afre these numbers Mr. Mo maybe a telephone lines into bet me the one sem and now question and I say what fre na Lawyer Francis waha na we wa ma umwaye kama me first question I will be send me messenger mekan amano na me boko konso sem paucho say me use so yeah magneti for Facebook ne dey live no o frame me messenger so I will be interrupt me way no nti men frame me messenger call the numbers that I've provided for the program me paucho yo nti no yenia be me o see good morning o see I have made an EU application on September sorry mami Sansha is here. I have made an EU application on September, then received a COA on October. Till now, not heard anything from the Home Office. I'd like to know if everything is okay. Sly, a question in the made there, but we be starting to say, Lawyer Francis, we Juma Home Office will be. Lawyer Francis, share the internet way now, channel or see be say BBI okay and Pacho, Wadaroma.
Yo, my name is Sly, Miss Medasi, a tray. Sly, share Home Office, omo juma omo ye ene omo procedure ne guidance omo de atujana Time bia no ye ne omo din kita ho a asema ba ko a ya omo ka ne say in this era no in this time no bibia anya normal the way nanka ye expect no nti e koso ani omo din komo ne abusa say aden na bibia anya normal but no case where can I catch you say me no cry ka say I'm working from home. So into all these things, explain. He said, "New man, the way I was saying, say Omaka say Mrani Sinka within 6 months, who make EU application OT or Monka. Yo, there our and I said the America chess line. He said, who make in September, October, unya COA, Yamiada Uma, Nyomeko ye pa manka na miboa. Because the reason being, he said. Some time ago, in such a way, say, you're not even home office crowd now when you're money on wedding cover. To say, now say, from Mubisa say, I don't have application, I change in as if for. Say, your mother back to normal, but they are doing their best in such a way, say, try no more speedy up. Because Maya, who said, it gets to a stage last year, applications ever come into standstill. Ebini saying, "Oh, share Tama cover they are paying March more 2020 now, up to June 2020 now. Not Bibia and Kona Bibia ma.
No correct.
Yes, but Omu Bomodia after June, no, Omu try so Omu speedy up with the backlogs now a warning till now.
Okay.
Inti Misrawa slide and Che Biasa, but. The only thing is, I and I said, lawyer, at least you still have a more EU resolution center number. Was COA, so now a contact you almost say you need an update of your application. Why?
Yo, lawyer Francis, that's any was not test that bring me say Bwf Solicitors into no way they made the bow cocona.
You bet contact you individual lawyer, no, you bet why?
But yo, been so bizarre question, but me hold you been to no hello Colampacho. Your friend send out as a free.
Pacho, your friend Felix.
Yo, Papa Felix.
London.
Pacho, cause ne bizarre question.
Pacho, na lawyer explain BB about EU for no. Sebia or more indefinite.
Okay.
Just say move free her more than 6 months. Now, to say, I can't say, you know, Unya, no, I can't say, Unya indefinite, no, to 2019. 2020, no. They say 1 year new AC November.
Okay.
Now call Ghana March numho 2020 no March numho. In a lockdown no kwache etna ho 6 months and sa over. Okay. No, not that case no over there.
Francis.
Yo, Felix, share their work now. Once I make us say, say, Bibinti, wine to me, Ebini saying, me bu born yoma bebre, yare, uko ye jumani nasifo. Nyami adaroma, Home Office, update your more website, and it's your more immigration, one more day COVID pandemic na babishim. Say, Bibinti, a far covered one now intimate to coin by UK ha. Your application and I say, person will naturalize in our Kawasema. Bet me say at that time say, Name wa Ghana, the NT and Name wa Ghana, and they say, because of COVID-19 or pandemic, no, Name intimate to coin back to UK.
Yeah.
By says flights in border close Nina Sefo. It is who that you person naturalize ya. These are the reasons, and I said these are the things I will to be put forward. Would you defend it case, In this case, your friend exception to Emrano. Why?
Pacho. Entina no ana na me market. Na live UK test no. No o ye na esunya 18 na wa pass. Na o cast English test being so minim na English test no so te.
English test no depending krata no ne wo ye wo A1 A2 and ye wo B1 B2 enti no ne wo kwakoye no na be determine English test na wo betro no ana lawyer
yo manyati mami mremu ha
okay
ne kasa e mu no ka say wanya indefinite definitely so person akoye British citizen a obehia bibi e frɛ no B2 level B2 so manyati say level no about 4 things: speaking, listening,
writing
and what Anna
sorry reading sorry
and reading yeah
reading
into ombe assess we nyina no na o pass your mama level B2 na they acquire British nationality. Why? As a British citizen.
Felix say article Felix utia into no reading and listening and writing speaking
yeah
no so wo pese wo try obetumi so contact me edwuma me yen so into no I can coach you throughout, especially wa call register dada na o mama forms no Ombema forms be unya sa forms na no afre me I can coach you through ukwa nyame adom obe pass no if you are interested you can contact me just after the program. Yo young koso obi nso bisa a question bi me pese me escape answer na me bie emeko line so o see no bisa about transit visa no online so no bisa say please the airport transit visa how many years does it last meaning say a very question enye we but lawyer Francis obetumi answer na mama kakra me say
yeah made to me so normally airport transit visa no I was say lasted 48 hours
yes
but the issue is say obi wo ha opese ampampa odu airport obepie wakodi the opese oye bia ne nasefo because airport transit visa no almost say you should be within the airport
yes
unless ufu so be call out of the airport no bibi wo ha your friend sa Schengen visa and no is to other European countries no omo ho no NC will be quiet for border checks in Nasifo and our family members no. It is also say you go outside the airport, think about it and rather go for Schengen visa no, rather than the airport transit visa no. Because airport transit visa no, we are within the airport no. After the next flight now time no, because of Oba kosi lemfa say of UK KLM do oba kosi Amsterdam or do kosi our next flight na do be ko Ghana no it will take about 2 or 3 hours India was say we train wa airport for 3 hours
yes
obi won so obeka nsem pese bi pie na me ko ni na me ko town e ko hwehwe ansa na maba
hwe we ni ase kakra
inti eso we na hu the bibi potia o pese wo say in case transit no edu ho o pese wo ya either you going for the transit visa airport transit visa no aka airport or 3 hours now what jump back to your the next flight ya arrange amamu why
okay yo more question okay before obi wo line so hello caller mpacha o free near fro saying
but the fellas me na me call it earlier no na me bisa English we no but my auntie home why but
yeah ma answer dada what the two so no went ebiem so
na me call Facebook akoti answer no but anyway
yo okay yes some boy ebiem ma fellas ya na here can say sir ukuta indefinite na as you ne anase ne family member anase unya other means na upese would naturalize it as a British citizen. The English language na one of the requirements. Na ubusa anase ne ye ka say English language na level ben na say here. Who share your level why you be here and I said level I will say who show any level B2. Into level B2 no and I make what is entailed. Anything I was say we be your friend or writing, speaking, listening and reading. Into your best access so was I knew my way. Into your access now you okay near mouth certificate no say I'm qualified. Now the account or life in UK. Test now what passing on. Why?
Pacho, na me busa a question about you.
Koso.
Pacho English test na no. Na mpese me ko university like me yem masters no. Na university bia ma me akoye da we no provisional we no. Na omo grade me no mu grade me A1 in a B2 no. Any B1 no. Pacho acceptable say ubetime the account we no.
Yo there acceptable now ubetime the account no anyway no B2 no. A1 no lower because share requirement what they call and in this case say in case I would call nationality
yeah
I was say when you B1 no why
Pacho that's
so that's papa yo ATF for telephone lines maybe at 0203 735 8820 and that's 0203 286 0185 two WhatsApp lines DD Jumano 077 39958 and I'll say 075 966 20154 intake for friend bisa question no yen ene de me se me kwa na me wa hanti no me ye we multitask yo pacho obinsu ebisa send question about me kind of quick or see good morning Manyeti, good morning lawyer Francis, please what about absent in relation to EU family members in bracket third country nationals with pre or settled status before losing their residency, or the explanation given refer to both? Thank you. Me sure say explanation of the man no e cover we na lawyer Francis.
Yes, I am because once an America say EU near Bushia, why EU settlement scheme ni be? On the basis your mau pre-settled and I say how you shouldn't be out of the country for a certain number of years. And a biom so Mr. say, oh yes, EU family member, your mom will be a friend of settlement scheme now, settled status, and I say indefinite. The number of years I'll be to me a free chroma any effect also. Ushema me talking about EU near Busia, ni dependent. Omunyina sena mrani sika efa omu in case of my EU settlement scheme Libya. Why?
Okay. Yo. Obinsu abama akatiko yo. Yawaha yansha wensu lawyer Francis me phone na questions ne waso no. Trying to hosa say or back up. Enti Emma delay me, but me try so me cancel na bisa yen questions na ne ekọ. Obisi me fa code no ewo he. Okay, yinya kola enso back wa ha. Pacho, hold on 1 second. Let me connect to this. Okay, Pacho wa nama end with 035 no Utimenka.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Pacho.
Morning.
So, obe to me ebisa wasem na yanko.
Yo. Me Pacho me pese me busa lawyer say my sister wo Germany na oni asetena wo ho. Na nka kwan wo mu sengo betimi aba UK ana.
Imagine so ya dey no copy o.
Pacha, what a lawyer nka?
Me pacho ma ante de okaye no.
Obisa say eye den na okopie ho.
Odi kan ko Russia no ye student. Eno free Russia ko honom.
Nti o the visit na call ho na say o eye den na na o kan o ye den na.
O the visit na ko ye.
Okay.
And overstay no akoka ho
Na wa overstay no akoka ho no.
Overstay no akoka ho ye. Wa di ho be I think 8 years. But we need settlement biya wo ho.
Okay. La Francis.
Your main name German omumra no efase udi how many years and betimi ama sa asetina no. But now busa say opese oba UK hanuma. Yeah, akwaija wo ho on
But this am the to so na metie mente de wo ka no.
Hold on.
Yo fato so yeah.
Obese bisa no question bi ma na.
Oh, there be
okay,
me busa
yo,
question.
Mami fato so see why? Okay.
Me ba yo. Yo, that's it.
Yes, Lawyer Francis Bachokoso.
Yo, na me ka say German emra na omode ete one minim because I'm a UK trained one. So lawyer. Inti o share German ma the number of years I bet na what me enya ni stay no. I was say on no ye inquiry. Now I'm finding out. Okay. Yo, yemra say opese oba hanuma. Dear I was say what ye ni say. Share yemra na ye de wa hano. Yeah, they are starting AU soon from 1st of January 2021. No? Being the point-based system now. On share any of the routes, they are falling into, and I said, you'll be also meeting the requirements, no are making application towards that. A been saying, say, be a person about Hanoma as a skilled worker. I will say, I'll follow the sort of point-based points now, Mupeno. First, when you're sponsor, into your follow when you're sponsor for data, a better and English language or MIT, and the sort of sponsorship now when you know, or more payment remuneration, scar betiano, and you're saying, into say ABR or back as a worker. These are the things I was say, or inquiry now, or making sure say, or meet these requirements, and some of my issue in the visa manaba. Why? Okay. Apart from that, so person best schools so student base and so on. It depends on the route or person you see. Because I know you see who kind. And nothing on my BS point based system not too many say. Or be to me about as long as we meet the requirements of the route or person of us. Why?
Okay, inti mame ubeti ya ni lawyer kanono. Yenya ofufro wa homane. So hello, good morning. Pacho wa freba legal hour. Ye fro say na okase free.
Me pacho your friend Richard. Me pacho me kase North London.
Pacho yo bisa wasem ni anko.
Me pacho my tea bibi ka credit na chimadwen wo English test no ho sama no lawyer Francis echim no.
Okay,
na o chese o pese ebia so naturalize o se bibi sa cha wo ye B2. Now, I miss B1. Now, B1 no, but you're in your Jumana, whatever. And the president.
Well, Francis, about your in your car.
Yeah, B1 is a Juma. B1 on him, a Juma pa. From B Nikoni, obey to me, you should B1, B2, no bet to me, you should. Why?
Oh, okay. Yo, yeah. That's a part.
Why?
Yo,
okay, you. Bye-bye. One now was no bet to me. Okay, yentie, menya voice note bebre wa ha na yenhwe menua bema we die. Yenhwe. Okay.
Good morning. Maneti, good morning, Uncle Francis. Good morning, Uncle Francis and Richard Francis. Me pacho say my application Emma yes visa session now. Good morning, Magneti. Good morning, Uncle. Application. My person visa say my application. Eba, Omo refuse. Ghana, ama me nephew be. Since November ending, the passport Omo return. In this case, no can ben me faso. Eba, say mate say a visa baby Omo ye visa no atum. Me pacho what who be. When are they going to open? And I say be situation no say o ma tum a passport no so the nsan kan e kwan be na e be fa so a nsa be kan passport no me da say
Okay, Lawyer Francis, me question or the abano no.
Yo, me da say, I think sir, me starting me update, make a visa session no more sem. The entire matum and time or more expected on baby. You say be a one tier message should be.
Okay.
This week and or more send the email and I say okay on more website or more say or more visa section no or matum. The reason being is COVID-19 pandemic at SC Honomo. In order not to spread it, Oma closely send a beya or more beshisha nyomamuna or sorting it out. On that basis, almost say from 18th being Monday, 18th to 22nd of January, Obia Nanka that week, or appointment, or mobile reschedule appointment in every that time hopefully from 18th be Monday kono dear you expect to say omo be why inti yama me there bibi sa ba ye be ma waswati and e biom so na fa passport there no so we application na omo refuse so a ya na omo send you email che say o passport are ready beje inti me say wa one checking
emails out the filling forms
no first when you say email na and no and I what they be call honomo akwaji ne passport no because home office send no moye omunioma no say communicate through email mostly
okay
into all the time no say one check is say spam kra na akwakoshema and no so connect check honomo o junk mail because hono and I bet you email and I normally say use sa Bwf number no and I send that email no.
Okay.
It is a one check it no one who Oberful so when you near day bro.
Okay.
It always checked and confirmed with the application now, Send number now was a tally with the email now with the banana.
Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Checking out on Sakasa email now. Uber to me, say, Omo be a visa center na work right now. Uber to me a pop in at the aquacoji or passport, Why?
Yo, okay. Lawyer Francis here that's him. Paucho nipa mienu na wa humane so. Wa humane so sisi and your friend say na wo kasa friend.
Pacho, your friend me gifty.
Okay, Pacho, bisa wasem ni uncle.
Lawyer Pacho, person bisa say me EU ni na person me application my extended family member.
Okay.
Na ono no kroma sa me ba kroma.
Alright.
Iti me person bisa ono na che kroma se me application no. Maybe I know chance I me buy no. It was a year another EU family member and there was in China so bit me at na any other will be anti no so permit na.
Yo, give to me show mommy musa a question why. Me ba to me ka.
Gift uti lawyer anka. Hello Gifty. Hello. Oh. Dear Semini. Gift line article Lawyer Francis me gidi so obesan afrebium Gifty Mr. Osauti and can will line article and to bet to me assign a free baby my baby de pa. Meanwhile, no Francis and Cobijina so by answer and I say, yes, Nipa Qua Genesis, ya Gifty Samba, ya funny dear no.
Yeah, answer only panel because Gifty the enemy person me some further information answer. Why?
Yo, one patrol number and the 5150 wuna edu so your friend send out as a friend.
The patrol your friend nana me patrol na me friend lawyer dana sipa wa ya de kesiye ama me ne mebusia. Na we lawyer papa nyame nhira no na enam so ma menua bi bisa me se ekwan be na me fa so na menua no owo Germany nkrata wote hadadaada no pese o de ne ba panyini eba sesi ayetwa yiyi mu no kwan be no obefa so a obetimi de naba na nka na me se me bisa no because
okay, you, Laura Francis,
yo, Nana, Miss Midasi said, when do me more? Uti, dear Mika, yet me the year application. Yo, young question, and we say, sir, after Brexit now, being 1st of January 2021 now. Akwaija ewo homa yiyu fwa obudika no mu wa hadada. Because when my missus we almost say we yiyu ni na uwa hadada being 31st December 2020 now. Ube to me akwa kofa o family member. Na was say we establish say o family member no. Now in our relationship before 31st December 2020. Okay. Inti Nana near neba ewo Germany. I was say what she said no neba no relationship before 31st of December 2020. What me establish that one obey to me akwa fa neba naba. The only a year you need to me involve in it any extended family. Okay. Because they say extended family no if you okra o wofa o cousin o auntie ni na se for ye sa de ni nyina every emranu mu into from 1st of January 2021 no say na nua ne wo had da before 31st December 2020 na obetumi akofa ne ba na owo Germany no as long as ultimate prove say not in the relationship no a year before 31st December 2020. Why?
Okay. Yo, Nana Mpacho oti ni lawyer kai no. Nana was so. Hello.
Mpacho mi tie no.
Yo, inti no wakase wi ida sinso bebre. Why?
Mpacho yo.
Bye bye.
Mpacho yo.
Bye bye. Pacha of France or Ahomane so messages be mienu miense bi but se bibia wono wankasante my best atia continue pacha wa Ahomane so your France na akase free
pacha you give the line kate na masia free back
you pacha
lawyer bi tamasem ne kate
no worries na lawyer bi sa wasem bi Laura Francis pacha gift asaba
your gift de na me busa ne say now we change we say extended family or had than abese obuano. Now me person me who say me ba so ti dey me kan no.
O ti o.
Yo. At that time I know wa ha no. E kwa be so na say yemfa ne say e ya dan no buy. Wo na akofa ne buy na say u be sia no wa ha na abese obuano.
Ono di kan ba hansa me ba ono di visit ne buy.
Yo.
Me ba.
Issue ni say extended family application no is no longer valid on the basis say ABA ne adikan wo gina wo so na your man no extended your man resident card dada woni ne ti hanu mo so one gifty
that's right
so nanka what the can make application akofa na fifie and your man no family permit being ye family permit as extended family. And obedru hano, usa apply bano resident card. I man 5 years. EU settlement no anka betumi aye converted to pre-settled and limited leave to remain. Say afei na wo ba be ya emra ne ma ho kwan ema wo enye ema no ewo krom hanom.
Okay.
Why? It is na make an previous question before say me no ba be ka say only background so say extended family. Because they say in the in such a way say Oma bomodi extended family for every almost system no more. Unless now we are extended family ultimately prove before 31st December 2020 no. In this case, near issue be a friend year family permit. And now say near issue be a friend of resident card. Into on that basis, no, what are so right in it as so but now we way be and our fain na wo ba be ya. I'm afraid say unti why?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mommy gifty say lawyer no we into no. Say ni na ne kra ekọ. Yo it's for Ahaya GN Radio edwumedi a di ne Bwf Solicitors ne GN Radio legal hour so na ye wono. Ziname sabe to me afre 079 sorry 077-879-39958 and I say 075-966-20154 obi to me afre landlines then so menyodo fobi wa homa ne so na ma ende with 0585 but your okasa friend e frozen.
Hello, make us free. Hello, Pacho, make us free. Slow.
Yo, mami, Pacho, bisa wasem ni unko. Why?
Yeah, me lawyer can say extended family. Te o mai chambra. Na, me so. Ai, me so na me yama minya. Iti minya na me ma me nim so mo betimi aba because me de ma lawyer. Omo ye DNA.
Sir, where the kind they are too mudada ana.
You say lawyer under the atuma because catcher me say DNA test. DNA no result in my but BBR the BBR man the answer before 31st me.
I'm say lawyer Francis Bremo. I'm say
Yo, sir, who the man before 31st? I assume say lawyer na ye online application. Sir, who ye online application before 31st? And no, emrano abo ho ban. The can say who ko your submission. By booking an appointment and submit your documents and enroll for biometrics. It is definitely lawyer need time bound now. Obey your application before 31st of December 2020. Now the can appointment to be booking because maybe about could be before 31st. And an appointment, I was so called appointment and then but because of COVID-19, I'm still expecting say reschedule an appointment. Why? Into one short time frame now, lawyer the year application.
Yo, ma'am, into why? Fajide tum say lawyer no nim running to me sure say or best of obey online application before 31st, no. And I say why dream moon soon to wa obey to me a friend no we bisano. Why?
Pacho you. That's pa nyamishra.
Amen.
Nyamishra pa Lola Francis nyamishra pa.
Yo, me do me da say. Amen.
Bye bye. I'm say oh or they are too so lawyer more questions ne do so ha ma making can be yo men call Facebook there no so first na ne pa kono obisa little bit funny question ka can say I can't be brave but for the sake of or no obisa say he no benya sa transit visa and lawyer answer way da but lawyer Francis ebia who boss na obeti anke be me de pa oba transit visa na he no benya no.
Your transit visa no depending on crony airline or who you see. Young funny say uti UK ha na we a year family member. Ukuta resident card and also ukuta pre settled. Upe say uko ukrom back being a Ghana no na wakoto Air France ana se wakoto Air Portugal. Air France because you're free mo any EU for any tracker biase say no free movement na ende no. So what Air France na what they call Ghana transit visa na ebebe mu no ewa ha ne say because ya wuti UK ha no ukuta resident card and asa ukuta permanent and asa ukuta settled status no wa unya British ni we Ghana di enti uko France embassy website ube make application for air transit visa all the time na say uko country na ni airline ube faso akono omo website omo representatives e wo UK ha uko omo website no one make sa application no yo Portugal Air Portugal and also sa obeko Air Portugal omo ayi country no omo anamusi e wo UK ha no so Portugal embassy e wo kroma na obeko ho na wa apply for transit visa airport transit visa on the basis what Air Portugal into do back of ho and sana do work Ghana because who follow or more application for that into application no requirements for only questions e bebusa no wa filling na WhatsApp meeting but because of COVID into my online application no and omo using more now mostly the last time I'm reading about Netherlands KLM for any nasifono almost at least looking at because of the COVID season amount for UK for another third party country or more party also more apply for airport transit visa no for now more exemption up to 31st of January 2021 and from 1st February no who ye bibisa to KLM I was say we make sure say airport transit visa for KLM why
okay Lawyer Francis who sisi akra na ubo airport guy yasemwe say ukita British passport there or anaso your citizen there you are allowed so ubeba na say unkita British passport na wu tukwa na okofa Portugal say ni omoka so omoka countries I abandon you from coming no enti eno sa no minim say be a little bit complicated kakra say wa kofa na every ho ba na unkita British passport and asa onye British citizen no ma mesramo etiefo amutie me mo amaye moto ana mo nse mo betu kwan no mo check sa anwome mo check ni ye pa sana what to ticket no name say most of these airlines then they have for of course obi apenia work from kakra na say obe die no so echi dia na ye homework ye na ohu ankokyere ohu ankokyere because ebe ya say wa bedu ne say ye ma wo ye mfa wo mba no akoka Portugal ho no ebe ye asefem yo me question back bin so say hi please. If you receive your 5 years a month ago, when are you eligible to go to college? So when you have 5 years, just busumini no one explain it further. Say be a watna ha. Say minim senka your 3 years rule do. Lawyer Francis, wait to me achichi mo or amame.
Valenti, I am papa. Osha sa pre-settled a year, or say only 5 months ago. And
1 month, a month ago, sa no kind.
Oh, a month ago, into pre-settled no nyai when you're home.
Or see, when you're 5 years, or see, if you just receive your 5 years a month ago. Enti afen we nyo no 5 years one kase
na 5 years no one kase under EU settlement na
yeah one ka bibia nka enti mabna agree say uti udaso tie yen e wo Facebook ni so a question no utumi go a bit further kakra ma ya nka lawyer be you are no fe ba one state nti assume you make some assumption answer no lawyer Francis.
Okay, yeah, assume say when you're pre-settled, why under EU settlement scheme no. So in this case, colleges more requirement I will say umeti. Fine. Ubetumi akọ college but the instance and I said the one is say who apply for some maintenance sikana and no requirements also meet the eligibility college and then they are waba as long as one krata or kroma now per se krata in 6 months we are what about a short course as a student short course student now over 5 years now per se college obia nsi wo kwan say untimi nko college why
morning manyeti me pacho me worry EU ni na me pese me busa se o se wo kwhye enwoma na se a wo niema na application ni kwakotuma eye o mogije ho niema te se TV licenses hwan licenses water bill hwan no me pacho wo se afede won sa kan ye de 5 years na ma ubetimi atwen 1 year time na wotwetwa mu na wotwa sa license ne hwan license no ubetimi atwa mu after a year anansa ye the 5 years no ma o say we continue sa na 5 years no so ansa na wotwa me pacho which is which me das.
Hey, sister, question of Master Kakala Francis because the them say proofs now will be used no. Who can renew a document now? You might need those proofs again. Say better say wait was spending number of years. And I say another Francis and me enti opese o ye nanka ija 1 year no say ja TV license there o hwe TV I had an out TV license but for the sake of say ubenya proof no nanka wa akoye ebia no akodi telephone by force we here landline enti no wadwe mo no nka ukoye documents ni u de ko present we na wetwetwem anala Francis ehia say ogoswa no otiatia na say wodwetwem na osan ko renew awakoye fofora na mpacho chechemu ewa maye kakra
yo manya ti mechechemu ampa yeah sure ye nua ba question or a EU family member and a man of 5 years into the question now obusani say the proof of address documents we use here or person who say uncle swan keep and also uncle swan be with them let's say TV licenses uncle swan with the TV licenses now and now say one coach yo another man kano think about the future the next 5 years after 5 years no there be na call for indefinite it obviously you be catch yourself last record of 5 years we here be making we are self-employed we are bibia na say onya adwuma na say for but for the argument's sake say uti kroma for the last 5 years we betimi di bibia kire under the EU settlement I just say matna kroma for 5 years it is unya 5 years no now ukotwam na edru ho no more your more inquiry no munya evidence of your last 5 years kai hu se wona ebeko against you intinka men mafemu 5 years enche bi ebeba maintain no na say edru ho na uji we indefinite o settlement ni wi na fe di obese otwam na watwam why
you Obetina Francis Obetina secretary na akoya asem odofo wa homas yemri sana so koso ye from say na o kase free la Francis wa ha oti
oh my good morning la Francis good morning friend na bitri ye me besra me wa ha actually me a student practicing to be a doctor and me besra me wa na covid no be kan no But I did 2 more luckily just last week here. I'm on my 5 years old family in the roots. Now, the person who said, and already no recourse to public funds at Tomaso. Can be what meet me and me one aspect. And a 2. See, I'm a course in a car, into how many days, months, and I meet me absent within 5 years. So me free hand more. How many days and months? I want to me. 5 years no more. So me call for the next indefinite na call me.
Yo, on here me pacho 5 years no more under the EU and say
that is a UK family root system because me the same in Obaha. Now me apply normally.
As a student.
Me the same not just for them who much me ba na COVID the time. And
yo, me say me who say visa no me ma no na ye based on say oye no onokuta say wa settle wa ha na so.
Aye. We British citizen.
Okay, because but what I know is say who apply for family you know you did come out Bwf 2.5 30 months on the basis of the 5-year route.
Me 3 almost 5 years. Me call 5-year route.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, yo, share where you know no recourse for public fund now will come once and now. There was say I was a who apply now meet the criteria say we expenditure near we income near untimi meet we expenditure into on that basis no if say omunyi no recourse to public fund in free so now we enjoy benefits to support your family.
Me problem yes. Me ba ano alone in me juma.
Yes. That's advantage you can use against that.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Into you call for say no record. If there be change of circumstance application, I don't know why.
Okay.
But hello?
Yeah, hello, Pacho also. Line see the hard dream. Ujina so blay way penna and akato. I don't know, or so moshe. Laura Francis, question be say, there's similar one will be in so atro or say, good morning. My name is
my team, I mean, the second question, maybe I know what
you Koswe.
The second question now, no, so put you across and they say 5 years no quitano. For how long are obeti me free chrome no more? And also I hear the studies. Money effect one so. You share about resident requirement in America now. So your man ukuta 5 years first year no, you shouldn't go out for more than 6 months. So if you say ubetwa more than 6 months there are exceptions. Ebini saying, and our kind say or call for studies or go any PhD. In this case, ubetumi use our studies as one of the exceptions. Say the entire mark more than 6 months and they say na me share adie na me ye me PhD na me different country. In this case, with that, ebetumi back your application in case you can renew for settlement now. Why?
Okay. Yo, me jidi say obeti oti the obenya message no. It's for yemre na ye be your friend is saying radio ne so a mo amuti from tune in ne radio garden ne ade no say be call off just in about the next 1 minute. Inti say mbia man te and kan wo ho I think there will be some few adverts any small commercials be any small news be ebeba so I think after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your best Uncle Lawyer Francis Empire last West Emma Yentino, your best change just 5 minutes now, Masreno na on fire in last words no embrace after the ad no. But before then in the Facebook no is still on. Manyanate Facebook is still on. I've seen some questions. There's one particular question similar to Yenua Beme Ebisa no. And maybe say no na mabo 1 or 2 audio ba kubin so aka na fe lawyer Francis Ebesro na odi last message no ama na fe je umu na makoye mu adwuma. Enti no tune in for I think it's gone now. Yo lawyer Francis before mbeba in the next 5 minutes Mr. Wadaroma Wejuma gu so se woko na ye favor kakra ewa ha Joseph Ankofo bi ebisa question bi o say my question is can someone on special visa on spousal visa 5 years route apply for a fee waiver when renewing it for the first 2.5 years? Into no na make us say similar to Neobisa the last caller Obasi. And secondly, would still be on the 5-year route to indefinite or the 10-year route because of fee waiver application made? The question, no, Lawyer Francis.
You're share the first question on Facebook now. A person who said Obia or 5-year visa no or apply for fee waiver no or renew or bet to me I renew and I'm a say or 2.5 no bet me apply for fee waiver if I'm right
or see or 5 years roots now
5 year or 5 year roots 2.5
and
also apply for fee waiver.
Fee waiver,
Yo.
For the first, for the first 2.5 years, no. Sana oka. But what you wanna say?
2.5 no, bet me apply for fee waiver now.
Okay, sana the question.
Yes. OSHA immigration rules no appendix FM na. Na say how more updating no are the Saturdays concession be about besishim. Because South fee waiver policy, no, just last year or so, yeah, the the Home Office Echo Court.
Okay.
Say fee waiver, no, we in colonial mame as a family.
Yes.
Now, no, we to meet Home Office fee. IHS Nina Sifo. Into the buy and they say I was say or more apply for fee waiver. And Home Office there be MP more fee waiver. Into a court no court ni change my Home Office here where say almost foresee say nipa ni be destitute.
Yes.
I was say mano fee waiver. Because now Home Office say no. I was say we are destitute and send your fee waiver.
Okay.
But sir, court ni edise ama Home Office ema mo ya aware say ade ni be happy na e was say mo de ma no.
Okay.
But Home Office say happy na answer na the amount. Inti ama say Home Office are changing omumra no on that basis of the case no.
Okay.
Inti emra yenua case so say yenua no 2.5 no 5-year route. To me apply fee waiver as long as omit the requirements of the fee waiver.
Okay.
Being said, the income, any expenditure, you compare the expenditure no, more than the income. And American ABNI because of COVID-19 no, 1 year juma. Almost any household income so any kuna, and that's on any era. Oba ne pe anase be ma ne pe na ye adwuma omu kuta nkola mbienu miensa omu tua rent ne na sefo inti se omu ka omu expenditure yi nyina boma income bia e free e bia oba ne ho be ma ne ho no enso omu way no expenditure no.
Okay.
But when it should be documented, it should show evidence. Untimi fa wa no pe enkoka say ye ma me fee waiver. I was a witcher, and now a been saying, bank statement for the last 6 months. They would even see
Yeah.
Would it your bills, would it your way, would you away? Nina was out documenting out Odima Home Office, aware, and Sana. Nemo we are where say more apply as a family. In this case, no, sir, you're working about 2 or 3 or 4 people in a family. Home Office fee 1,033, IHS, a cost row, and also 1,560. Inti akole nipa ba ku bia no say no betua 2,000 plus. Times nipa 4, almost getting to 10,000.
Wow.
In this case, no, who working much be now my home office here where say, yen to me tia sa sika we. Inti ye per fee waiver. Definitely, omo de be man. Why? It doesn't matter about the route or what, as long as we meet the requirement, for fee waiver, no. Yeah, the be man. Why?
Okay. Yo, La Francis say one answer no honum amanaye me de. Mary Chochoko Tenso say good morning, my dear lawyer. Please, can an EU dependent in UK here who is on kidney dialysis apply for benefit? Not just say medically, no, or dialysis. So bet me apply for benefit and
these benefit issues, no, not the requirement and the sort of benefits are open. Because one thing about benefits, they say the eligibility, no criteria, and they say at least, oh yeah, BBA or asitna fibo ewokruma, was settled wokruma.
Okay.
And it's a meet the criteria. I'm afraid, say, farmer. Unless Uber fighting from on human grounds right now, they will tell you, say, this is the criteria. As long as we meet, or multimedia who say, so over 2 months, say, who no Ebema and Ranasisan, I might consider or more dialysis need I say for now. Who knows? You can change the law. Why? By fighting to the higher court.
Sir, I can't 1 minute na tune in for na abba na me question back on so see. Good morning, Lawyer Francis Emmanuel. Hope you are doing well. Yeah, that's it. Also, my question is, can someone with on one will be and I think so. The ba phone is so answer no the ba when is so tino. Yes, keep no na. Young queen. Say, Lawyer Francis, ne aka no wo wayi na ye ka se be ka wan hwa na ye time ne ko mesrew na ne nyame adom Bwf Solicitors ni amunim no nso edwumedie ye de abremo efrigian radio studio ha na ochina nyame adom am ye besan ehia wo Bwf Solicitors omaso ye omo website ne so omo live Facebook live ni YouTube live ne so enti no se utumi buy na obisa wasem na anasem bia wentumi kra anremu a ambonremu a enkechi ochina so ye beto aso saa se ne amonim saa yi nsem no edoso me question and bisa is just a minute of it enti no questions be bre wo mumutimo a mo pese mo bisa enti no make it a date with us ochina 4 to 6 Bwf Solicitors Facebook live ni YouTube live ni so now before Uncle Francis Lawyer Francis beba no my friend Uncle ya kamenu Lawyer Francis be edi and last we ni be bremo no mesra mo enidie mo GN radio yem Facebook no ho atichima kakra enti no yentumi amba live into no obehwa ye ba manye na ate Facebook live no so ne ba but the YouTube ne de ye adwuma nti se wenya ye wo Facebook ra obetumi nya ye wo YouTube no so benya edikan akire mo se eso ode ye se wo YouTube na che se dodro na ene nyame adom dodro TV sa ye wo ye mfie nyina no majority we can access the YouTube app no wo TV ne so nti wo course now access say it's just like you listening to the TV, normal TV program I watch and no crowd and money FFF no. Into no over to me always log on to the YouTube channel and I say Facebook manyanate Facebook on to say a best sorty problem. I believe say by the end of the day and by the end of this week, you know, a best sorty out. Into no until then no yema Lawyer Francis and finally last words no embrace na afi yensi a very good bye to you. Lawyer Francis in Pacho Owahumaso.
Yo, Manyati, I think the beginning of the program now, who raised the question be, but yeah, to me and tackle, but I may quickly put it across. It's about EU and EEA and EU. No people so who difference and I'm boy.
Yes, no correct.
Yeah, my main far away in term. So who share Tamani what EU more directive 32 2004. Sa directive no from EU Parliament EU Mrano and Tamana UK ye part of it no ye kukru ebe share UK Mrano yeah regulation 2016
yes
yeah amended they started with 2006 2016 and amended ones are till say yeah free EU mu free movement abana no
yes
now Tamani EU ye woman now almost say EU member no and ye a agreement yeah in related to single market.
Okay.
So what I'm saying so no say because say you didra near say you make sure say you the economy say tax being area to BB or UK ha the same tax no no mode beto so wo yem fa say Spain ni na sefo in this case no omo pese omo create BB a friend no say nke beka say global village BB no at a short you know upe we uko the same thing na abenya uba ha na the same thing na abenya so inti e frame BB single market under EEA but when it comes to BB a friend no EU no EEA ni European Economic Area. That's the meaning of EEA, being the single market. And a EU ni European Union. In the European Union, it goes beyond say a economic aspect.
Okay.
Yes. In the European Union, ni economic as well as political. Okay. Whereby the EEA, being European Economic Area. No, a single market.
Okay.
So it is one with difference, woman. No. Yeah. It is Oshama EU, no, they do most of politics, policies and others to make the economy of the European countries grow. Yo, yeah, I'm sure they are not medibema etie for. Yeah, Fabe, no, yeah, because EU, yeah, Nanka EU for the ka omubi bia swetcha but there be da still ano ye obi bia ye friend grace period ye wom from 1st of January 2021 to 30th June 2021 hono and no chair say wa we EU the EU family member extended family member now what UK ha before 31st December 2020 no now when the EU settlement scheme Libya I was say ukoswa tuhu anamo
okay
provided say opese utina UK ha after this grace period now
yes
because 1 year after that no ubeye overstay unless uma reasonable grounds
yes
until Mr. Eka minia EU for omonye sa application ni bi omudika wa hadada being 31st December 2020 no say still up to 30th June 2021 say I was say yes EU settlement scheme ni bi because UK are starting with point based system na say no yen ka say we EU ninti ye ma preferential treatment there be that
ye nyina ye pe
enti there me say ye nuanom EU for amunya sa application ye aware ni say ye na ye ho so
okay
na ya ma ye ho ankoda adwa
yes
ene biom so no sa airport transit visa no and also no you're careful papa because I think other EU countries now are going to use it. And I'm making sure say I was say obia obeform chrome obiano ukuta sa ade ni bi. Yes. And now say obekuta Schengen visa. Inti also no who chat ticket now we call holidays. Now we get British near. Making sure say our policies who make inquiries about country abefa so akọ ukro no or more embassy and more high commission. Why? Inti manyeti de me beja etie for any the nema bubo bosui ene biomu so no Saturday yen so ha BWF yes so yeah legal education this time no the community and the law. Yes. I think say meeting we a check akraba enche bia Uncle Patrick on the besom every honomo. Why? It is Saturday from 4 to 6. Community and the law hosted by Lawyer Patrick Oreku from Bom. I want some for every mamu. Meeting or on why? You maybe I'll be on any BWF, yeah, YouTube, yeah, website on any Facebook, no, in from 4 to 6 Ube to me catch up the program, no. Why? Okay. Ya chia mona etie for a biomusono, yeah, per se, did to just say, yes, Samoa, your office near be, but yeah, be now, but the one is said. And your appointment in your waba office. Obe to me afraid say yes, you know, Casa, our phone swap, yes, Skype, yeah, WhatsApp, Nina Sephora. You better arrange it towards that. Than say you better about office. Because you know, your boy who by in terms of COVID-19, it's yeah, observe protocol now, abide their two journal. Why? Okay. On kasa bia your office ye bia na ye bia ye bia ye office why yo etie for mo hwe me husu ye that's a net ye besa ehia bye bye yakramo yo yakramo ye nua be ma Daniel Opon me bisa me won say we bisa question bi na me pa cho say lawyer Francis into me enyi ano enti ne me ne say me fa question no na me de amom for ochina program no enti me sro se wo kwan a nyame adom ochina Bwf Solicitors Facebook live with the law and the community and as the community and the law ne so no me send it akomom nti ubenya nwati o me answer o question wo because me won say e wakakra na ye de mre na ye adwuma wa ha mansori ankwa the next program cannot commence nti no or say me ko na obi fufuro eba nti me very 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 sorry say ma answer ma bomodia make a date with that tomorrow na questions here we bisa no na ye de atudwa anase ya answer wo ama nkrofo bebre obi kura send me questions say man bisa enti say wa send me say atem didi o say ye caution warn you ntime ho but enya hwe ochina nyame adoma program na ekoso me bisa ama why yi fo omo ho nsem no edoso ye pa la France ye nwie da ye guso bebre ena ne e wan say dodo na mpo enti ne ekoso Dabio, me sure be a dim como now say daben na but now say ain't wunda da nyama akos wonte ain't no mesra mo ne nyina begina say ye program mo be share amana ko obi e wo contact so nyina no wa share community wo WhatsApp group a share be bia na che say dodo na atenia eko na yetumi ato anamu yi yeda mo ase nyame nhire obi bia Oba program ne so or share program no God bless richly bless you all. Tomorrow make the same date with us at Bwf Solicitors website and so have a nice week na weekend and have a nice weekend. Ye beshia nyame adom watchna iti for me mamu nyina bye bye. La Francis and Eddie Edami soon to me and me. Why are they? Yana me bibia wa ho. I feel me share say na me dundum so na yen come fan me to so answer ma iti for na afi de yen koso.
where the day. Intina ho ana we sunsua technical no.
Hey, I was say say ye ja umu a.
Na wait to me anye stranded na just say wait to me ehunu ya obey. So I think that is that. And then omo nyina em say ye nua be ma bi aka baby. COVID be ashred amana ashred ne nkwa enti no almost all the crew no eko
but the GN radio emamu yako
on shada nye nyu GN radio but I said GN radio phone nyina enim no enti all right
Mose Namo Sochom Hey Mo